Alright, so we're live. Alright, we put an order in for tools from Stumac. This is tools that we're going to need to finish the Pandora's puzzle box. If Stuart McDonald is watching, hi guys. Thank you. Of course, we're not like sponsored or anything. We actually pay for this stuff, which is.
But we still love you.
The reason why we are auctioning off the guitar is to offset the cost for tools and for future projects. Obviously, nothing in this world is free. So here we go. I'm going to open up this box and we're going to look at all the new tools. To be fair, the ground shipping box came yesterday, and we didn't do like an opening of it because it was there's one really cool thing in it, but the rest of it was like, the chemical stuff that can't go by air. It was just weird that it got here first. But of course, Stumac with their great, they have great packing.
Yes.
So
very eco-friendly too.
Hi, buddy. How you doing?
It's like there's a box.
Okay, so let's take this out of here before someone like zooms in and finds out where I live.
Oh yeah.
We'll put the invoice over there. Okay, so we got clamps.
Yay.
We have a bridge sanding block. I have a cat. I actually have two. Really, buddy? Just put that over there.
There's no second block of wood.
This is our straight edge.
Woo, fancy.
Really? Our fretting hammer.
Yeah. No more frets. Oh wait, hold on.
To get the frets all aligned properly, in all the way.
Yeah.
This is the tape for the cool thing that came yesterday. The tape deck. Are you done? The tape deck that we have. So there's that. Just put that over there. And then here's this this big bag full of all the little miscellaneous tools.
No, life is trying to help.
I'm just watching, man. I'm gonna look inside there before you. These are the what's it called? The files for the nut files, and the fret file, the slotted file. Let's give everybody a view. Everybody, look at the stuff. Hi, Fritz. Yeah, these are to mark out where the strings go on the tuning end as opposed to the bridge. Put those down. Wait. A bag full of glue brushes, which would be very important because this is a set neck and that means we have to glue it in. Are you fully? This is one of the pin sets. There's another one in here somewhere. Now here's the other one. A 5/16 and I think a 3/8. Hardware wrench set. This is just all specific to guitar sizes. I mean, I could just get these from Home Depot, but I figured since I was buying stuff from Stumac, I might as well get the whole deal. This is a cleaner for the what do you call that thing? Brain fart. Anywho, this we used to clean paint off of any markings on the side for the frets on the fretboard, what have you. A tiny wrench.
Aww, that's so cute.
A countersink that it's a hand countersink. So, really? Why you guys gotta be so aggressive?
The cats.
For bass and guitar, we have these little fretboard protectors for when we're cleaning and filing the frets to make sure that nothing actually comes in contact with the fretboard itself. Rosewood is not a very durable wood as far as that's concerned, like against files and metals. So this will protect our frets. For guitar, for bass, obviously the bass ones are a little bigger. And last but not least, the full line of fret erasers. These are designed to go on the fretboard, on the frets on the board, and polish them down. They go from, I know they have,
It might be on the side.
yeah, they go from, let's see, 800, 2,000, 1,200, 4,000, 220. They go from 220 grit, this is our white, all the way up to 8,000 grit. This should, all the stuff for the frets, that should make it pretty easy to get to the point where we will have mirror-like frets.
So shiny. Triggers me out. Nah, I'm just kidding. I had to seal it because of the goodies.
And the packing material's out of this. We just took it out and the cats enjoyed playing with it. Tight bond glue, of course, to put the neck onto the body. Naphtha to clean up any paint mistakes. And last but not least, this is really more a present for Donna than it is for me. I mean, I'll use some of the tape, but
Tape deck. Detail taping.
big old detail tape deck, and then you just ta-da, the tape rolls go on.
Thank you, Harry.
Got a blade right there that stays covered so you don't cut yourself.
Or the cats.
And it's guaranteed this thing is like a good 5-ish, maybe more pounds.
It looks solid.
It's guaranteed that the cats are not gonna knock this thing off of the counter. That's for sure. So there we go. There's our opening for the Stuart McDonald package. I'd like to thank Stuart McDonald Luthier Supply House for existing, because that's getting all of this stuff probably would be next to impossible.
Yes.
There are a couple of other things that I want to get for future projects and for some restoration projects on my older bases and stuff like that, but that's for a future time. And there's that. Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. As we're like simulcasting on 3 different things at once. So.